Hey Mark, Tom Speed. I just wanted to get on here and thank you for, setting up the TLS Insiders group. What I can tell you is I saw an ad of yours. I guess it was probably mid-January, talking about the video ads workshop that you're going to have and the TLS Insiders. And I decided to opt in. I realized that video is where it's at, and part of that reason is because I was part of your, No Fear video course as well when you launched that back in 2016, and it created a lot of success for myself. And I realized that if you were going to have somebody was going to have a course on video ads, who would I want to take it from but the guy, none other than the person who got me started doing videos, and it's because of you that I started videos. But what I want to do is I want to just thank you. Basically what it was is I love the format. I love where you give us assignments to do in between each week's lesson, and I actually implemented, and I learned a lot. I learned a lot about insights, the pixel, a lot of that targeting some custom audiences. And what I did was, after the final course, I had been playing around with the insights during the course, and what I did was the day after the course ended, I basically went in my insights, and I realized that some of the audiences that I had been targeting weren't really the people I was looking for based upon what I saw in insights. So what I did was I created a couple of custom audiences based upon some video views, and what I did was I posted an ad that Thursday. The course was on a Tuesday, it ended. That Thursday I posted an ad up, and Friday morning, sometime Friday morning, I noticed I had a lead. A little bit later I noticed that lead turned into a sale. And what that initial sale was, for an annual membership in a community, and that was about a $200 commission, which I was pretty excited about. But later that day, that was that was an upsell where it actually brought that lead that joined as an annual member, upgraded to a VIP member, which meant about a $1,300 commission for me. Now, I don't know about you, but I'd say that's definitely a great ROI. So what I can recommend for anyone who may watch this is, Mark definitely knows how to bring it. He'll get you the success that you're looking for, and I'm looking forward to this content workshop that he has next coming up. Currently, I'm a little lax getting this video out there. We're working on the second module actually today, but I wanted to get this video out there to you, Mark. Thanks again. I love your trainings, and they're really working well for myself. But take care and have yourself a great day. Bye.